Are you wondering what a $2.65 million property looks like in eastern Idaho? I am standing in one of the most stunning houses I have ever seen in my entire life. This is built by a luxury builder, MDS Builders. It's listed by Jace Wright with Top Notch Realty, and I cannot wait to show you. 7,300 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a movie theater, views for miles, multiple fireplaces, an amazing massive garage. The list goes on and on and on. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start our luxury home tour outside. Your first impression of this estate will start with this long driveway and large front yard. The front of the home consists of clean lines, beautiful designs, and high-end finishes. With its expansive concept, it offers a truly commanding presence, if you can't tell. This immaculate, newly built estate sprawls across 5 pristine acres, offering over 7,300 square feet of top-tier craftsmanship and modern elegance throughout. Built in 2024, this dream home combines sophisticated design with high-end features in every single corner of the house. Come check this out. As we walk through the tall front door, you'll immediately be hit with luxury and a grand entry impression. Notice all the modern yet cozy feel of this home. I absolutely love the warmth of the white oak hardwood floor and the warm lighting throughout this home. Moving through the main living areas, you're greeted by a vast open space, multiple living rooms, and massive fireplaces that add warmth and grandeur. These spaces are perfect for gatherings or quiet nights in, and notice the high ceilings and natural light pouring in through large windows, highlighting the meticulous attention to detail in every finish and fixture. Now let's step inside the heart of the home, the kitchen. Walking past the stunning dining area with a 180-degree view, I am telling you this video does not do it justice. The kitchen features sleek quartzite countertops and top-of-the-line appliances. It is truly a chef's paradise. And yes, it even comes with sous vide cooking capabilities, taking your culinary game to a whole new level. Let's not forget a massive fridge and freezer combo that blends perfectly with the cabinets and large island with additional seating. Plus, you have a spacious butler's pantry, adding functionality and storage without compromising on style. It also includes a drink filling station and an ice maker as well. Right next to the kitchen is a spacious laundry room and mud room with a clean, light and dark contrasted look, pairing well with this amazing dark tiled flooring, and windows on either side providing natural light during the day and under cabinet lighting at night. And if you're looking for space, this garage has you covered with room for all your vehicles, including a heated RV bay, which is a rare find and a must for Idaho's variable seasons. I also love that there's an additional sink and room for storage if needed. Okay guys, let's check out this amazing backyard. Just around the corner, you'll discover a private, spacious patio, perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing. It offers scenic views of the surrounding landscape, and with Idaho's breathtaking sunsets, if you haven't ever seen them, Idaho really does have the best sunsets, and this spot will easily become one of your favorite parts of the entire home. And here is a little glimpse of a private patio just off of the primary suite, which we're going to check out next. Heading back inside to the west wing of the home, just beyond the living room, is a private office, an entrance to a private patio and fire pit, making this area an actual owner's suite. Through another doorway is a tranquil haven of warmth and charm. This bedroom exudes a sense of calm and intimacy. I even had a client say it was romantic, designed to be your private sanctuary. As you enter, your eyes are drawn to the floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, vaulted ceilings with exposed wooden beams, enhancing the room's airy, expansive feel, while large windows flood the space with this natural light, offering views of the peaceful Idaho landscape just beyond. Also included in the primary suite, through an elegant set of double doors, is a bathroom and closet combo that is next to none. This closet is not just a walk-in closet, but an entire room dedicated for comfortable areas to get ready and plenty of storage. Another highlight of this incredible home is this immaculate bathroom. A designated spot for your makeup or getting ready right here on the left, this beautiful vanity, stone wall, huge soaker tub, and this massive walk-in shower with multiple shower heads. I also love that there's a dual sink here, dual mirrors, and just so much space and light here. And don't worry, you can fog out those mirrors for a little bit more privacy as well. All right, headed back to the east side of the house, we'll check out another bedroom. Next to the front entrance is also this spacious, beautiful room with large windows, perfect lighting, and a large closet space. And then this bathroom is also conveniently located near this bedroom, but also not too far from guests entertaining in the living room. Next is the upstairs, which features another living room, or it could be a playroom or a movie room, or whatever you want to use, a multi-purpose space. And then check out this bedroom. It is actually quite large, with so much space around for extra seating or decorations. A little area here, and then another beautiful large bathroom with so much space, this nice black tile that you saw in the laundry room, and a very large walk-in shower as well. Okay, next is the basement, and I promise you it will not disappoint. Down the stairs and to the left is your fourth bedroom that the builder actually converted into a usable workout space, equipped with specialty soft flooring and mirrors mounted to the wall. Next is another conveniently located bathroom with a beautiful walk-in shower, beautiful vanity. As always, MDS does not disappoint, even in the basement bathrooms. Just beyond that is a second laundry room. Here you'll see the hookups here if you wanted to have another set of a washer and dryer. Then a very spacious utility room with a water softener and 2 water heaters, so you'll never run out of hot water. Now, every home has got to use this under the stairs storage space, which MDS Homes has finished into a fun, playful area for kids. I know my kids love this kind of thing with the little door and the little space, which makes it just a fun clubhouse. To the right of the stairs is a fourth living room or a family room, and this area is big enough for couches, a pool table, or a ping pong table, or both, and then it keeps going, fully equipped with a kitchenette/bar area, providing even more space for entertaining. Then there is this movie theater space with multiple levels, mood lighting, and dark paint, creating the perfect space for a movie night in. Moving back up these couple of steps and over this beautifully lit kitchenette, and another look with a wide angle lens of all of the space here, some might say that this part of the house is the highlight of the house, a safe room. First, it is a display room, and then through another doorway is an extra room for added storage capabilities. Last but not least, let's check out the remaining bedrooms and bathroom down the hall. This incredible bunk room was made with efficiency in mind. 2 queen beds on the bottom and 2 twins on the top creates a fun and safe atmosphere for kids and or their guests. It also comes with a decent-sized walk-in closet. The last bathroom does not disappoint, with more space and luxury throughout, providing ample room for multiple guests or children to get ready effortlessly. Lastly, this beautiful basement room is actually on the ground level, the way the house sits on the hill. It creates much more natural light like you would see in the upstairs rooms. Well, that's it for this amazing home tour. Again, this beautiful home was built by MDS Homes here in eastern Idaho. We are in Shelley. There are some other lots available. You could have this house that's for sale, or you could build this exact same model on another lot. You have options. If you are interested in a house like this, or this one specifically, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'll be happy to help. Again, my name is Annika Wilder, and if you're new to my channel and you want to know all there is to know about life in Idaho Falls and the surrounding areas and amazing homes like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. We'll see you next time. Bye.